Hi, my friends. Welcome to Miss Net online channel again. Today we are going to do a topic which is very useful to you and is very easy to do. So the topic is study tips to help you to excel. Here they want you to write a message between 50 to 80 words to your friends. Okay, come let us go to the question first before we start. Your friend wants to learn about good study habits to excel in his or her studies. Write a letter to your friends and share some good study habits that can be practiced in the classroom and at home. So here they said that to write to your friends his or her. That means that you can write to a male or a female friend. And then you must bear in mind that the question is they want you to share some good study habits that can be practiced in school and at home. So you have to give the tips about in school and at home, two places, remember. So here now let us see. These are the 8 tips that they give you. So maybe we can choose a few because this is some tips. They didn't say how many tips. As I say, usually we just pick 4. Okay. So here we say that set up a study place. So now let me explain to you one by one here, the tips one by one, and then you decide yourself which one you want to write, you want to choose. So set up a study place. That means that some people, they only can concentrate well when they are studying in a quiet place. Okay, that means that some people, they like to hide themselves and study in a quiet place, and they don't want people to interfere them. And then your the study place is very important. It can't be too bright, it can't be too dark also. And then the chair, everything must be okay. Okay, never study on your bed. Okay, and then find your study style. Find your study style. What does it mean? Because some people, they like to study alone. Okay, and some people, they might want to study in group. They enjoy group studies. So depending on the personality. So this one, when you want to talk, you have to talk nicely. You don't use mic. I just give you the suggestion. So plan your timetable. So plan your timetable ahead. This is very important because you plan your timetable, so you will allocate your time and use your time wisely. But the problem is some students, they won't be able to follow the timetable closely. If you want to do the timetable, everybody must do the timetable to study, and then you must follow it closely. Then only you will be able to use your study time, to use your time wisely, to study effectively. Okay, as for help. Ask for help. This is usually when you are in classroom. When your teacher is talking about something and then you feel like you don't understand, don't be shy. Okay? Don't be shy. Raise up your hand and ask your teacher about the questions. I am sure every teacher will be very glad and happy to help you if you have any problems. Okay, so just don't keep it. Don't know, also pretend I know. Don't know, then raise up your hand. Say you don't know. Ask your teacher. Definitely will be happy to assist you. And then get enough sleep. Oh, this is very important. As we know that everybody, we must have at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep per day. Some students, they like to burn midnight oil. That means that they don't get enough sleep. They like to do last minute works. And then some people, they just like doing something, maybe watching a late night movie or playing online games until they neglect their sleep. They went to sleep maybe tomorrow, they have to go to school at 7 and they went to bed at 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. So this is not good. So it will affect your memory, and it can affect your concentration. So you must plan nicely, okay? You must get sufficient sleep, so tomorrow it will re-energize you, and then you will have better concentration, and then you can perform better, okay? And then now we go to this one, the sixth one is set goals. Okay, you have to set your goals, okay? So you have to set a goal, so you must say that, okay, when you study, maybe you need to set a goal, say that, okay, about the grade, okay, this time I want to get an A, this time I want to get a B, okay, it's up to you. You have to set a goal, okay, and then you just follow the goal, and then maybe you can set a goal. When you do revision also, you can set a goal. You can say that, okay, by the end of this month, by the end of this week, okay, how many chapters I should have done or whatever. Okay, so it's up to you how to say that, set goals. Okay, so but for my advice, I always tell my students, everything, when you try to do anything also, try your best. You don't say that I will try to do it. Never say that. You say that not I will try, I try to do it. No, you have to tell yourself, I can do it. 100% can. Can and try is different. So if you say that every time when you study for your exam also, everything also, your target is 100, to get 100 or more. So if the question come up, so you will do the preparation. Your preparation will be different. Okay, if you aim for 100, so you will study really hard. If the question come up, you don't get 100 also, you will get 90. I tell you. So you just try. Whatever we do also, we have to do our best. Okay, don't be lazy. And then here, the tips 7, take short break. Of course, when you study, after you study half an hour or 45 minutes, you need to take a break for like half an hour to refresh your mind. Okay, you need to go and stretch yourself, to go and move, okay, so you won't feel that down, okay. And then exercise regularly. So of course, when you study, you need a proper diet. I tell you, proper diets, okay, balanced diet. You need a proper diets. And then of course, don't forget to exercise regularly, because exercise can make you healthier, and then your memory will be better, because you feel energy, you have a lot of energy, and then you feel fresh. Okay, you're healthy. So when you're healthy, you have a better performance. Understand? So here I already give you about the study tips to help you to excel about A. So you have to choose 4. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 that you want. So here I try to provide you with a sample, but don't copy from mine. For those who copy, I just reject your paper. Remember? So here I just try to say that just now they said that they want you to go to 2 places. Correct or not? They want 2 places. So one is in school, and then one is in classroom. So how to say that? Because your friends want to know about the topic. Let me see. Your friends wants to learn about good study habits to excel in her study. So when you start to write an email, a message, how to write? You can say that, dear blah 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 blah. Okay, here they give you I would. Okay, so you straight go to the point. Okay, I would provide you, or I would be happy to share with you some useful study tips to help you to excel in your study. Okay, you just say it like this, easy one. And then you go to choose a few, which one you need to do in classroom. So you can say that, okay, the first one you can say that in the classroom, always listens carefully or attentively when the teachers are teaching. If there is something that if there is something that you don't understand, please ask your teacher. The teacher will explain to you more clearly. You can say that, or you can say that the teacher would be very happy to assist you with the problems. It's up to you, whatever you want to say. This is in the classroom. So when you go home, the first thing is to set the timetable, right? So you can say that at home, you should make a study timetable and follow it. Then you will be able to manage your time wisely. Find a quiet space, find a quiet spot where you can concentrate and avoid any distractions. As you study. Then you can say that lastly, please don't forget to have balanced diet and exercise regularly. This is what I want to tell you, okay, in summary. But just now I already told you a lot about it. So you can choose anything that you want. Don't copy mine. Okay, you can choose anything that you want and then use your own sentence to write the email, double space, and pass to me. Thank you very much.